Hi, I'm Gareth, your technical rep at Atlantic British Tech Support. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to install the new Glohh GL-5i dynamic tail lamp assemblies. These tail lights fit 2014 on Range Rover Sport, Range Rover Sport Supercharged. They are fitted with dynamic turn signal illumination. These lights are a great style upgrade for a Range Rover Sport. Today we're going to install them on a 2014 Range Rover Sport Supercharged. They're a great upgrade to the vehicle and we'll show you what they can do. First step to removing the tail lamps is to loosen off and remove partially the waste finisher door seal approximately in the area of the tail lamp assembly. Step 2 is to remove the water channeling from behind the lamp assembly, which gives us access to the two screws that retain it into the body of the vehicle. I use a basic trim tool just to get it started. Put in from the bottom edge, a little tug, and it loosens it off enough to wiggle it out from the body gently. Behind the water channel, you'll find that the lamp assembly is held in by two screws. The fitting is a T30 bit driver or a screwdriver with a T30 on the end. I'll undo the two screws and then remove the lamp assembly from the body of the vehicle. Next step is to remove the lamp assembly from the vehicle, from the body of the vehicle. I use a large plastic trim tool. We do sell a trim tool kit here at Atlantic British, which would work perfectly well as also. Get between the body of the vehicle gently so not to damage the paintwork, push in slightly and pry, and it pops the lamp assembly clear of the retainers. Gently remove the whole assembly out, carefully not to mark the car. Press and squeeze the clip. Installation of the new lamp assembly is opposite to removal. Plug the electrical connector in first until you can hear it click firmly. Then line up the lamp unit itself from the metal pins to the plastic retainers in the body of the car. And now we have it clipped in firmly. Resecure the lamp assembly with the two screws that we removed earlier. Reinstallation of the water channel. Ensure that the two clips locate into the two receivers and that the lip edge here overlaps the top edge of the water channel so water flows out to the back of the body of the car and not into behind the lamp assembly. Refitment of the rear door seal. Firmly tap down to the body of the vehicle. And the same removal process for the driver's side as what the passenger side was. Here we are with the lights installed. Car's not running, but the lights are on with the hazard lights flashing. I think they're a great upgrade to the vehicle. As you can see, the reverse lights are ultra white, bright, 523 lumens of LED lighting, suitable and will light up anything behind for when you're making those reverse maneuvers. These lights can be ordered online or at roverparts.com or by calling one of our sales representatives on 1-800-533-2210.